What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this is the Yoga Pro 9i. In North America, it will be known as the Lenovo Slim Pro 9i, and I've partnered with Lenovo to give you a detailed first look. So with the Yoga series, you really do have something for everyone. For versatility, you have the convertible Yoga Book series. For mobility, you have the ultralight durable Yoga Slim series, and for pro performance you have the Yoga Pro series, the most powerful yogas that give you the power to take your creativity anywhere. Now, taking a look at the build and design, so we've got military grade durability. This is the tidal teal, which looks really nice and is the signature color, marking a powerful wave ushering in the new sustainable premium ecosystem of yoga devices. And the 2023 Yoga product line incorporates recycled aluminium and post-consumer recycled plastic. They also have sustainable packaging by using recycled, renewable and bio-based materials. Now, the 9i is available with two screen sizes. There's a 16-inch version as well as this 14-inch version, which actually has around a 14.5-inch display. The 16-inch version can be as thin as just 17.9 millimeters and just over 2 kg, and this 14-inch version can be as thin as 16.9 millimeters and around 1.65 kg. So it is ultra portable. Now, I think you're going to be impressed with what this offers for that compact size. So firstly, it does pass the one-handed opening test, and this reveals the display. So the Yoga Pro 9i is available in either an LCD display or a mini LED display. Now, the displays have pure sight, which guarantees the highest caliber of screens and meet requirements for sharpness, smoothness, realisticness as well as safety. Both have a 16:10 aspect ratio with a 3K resolution. The LCD version has up to 400 nits of brightness, a 120 Hz refresh rate with an optional touchscreen option. Now, this mini LED version has a peak brightness of 1200 nits, has an adaptive refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, and has touch as standard. Now, this is a PureSight Pro mini LED display, which takes things even further, giving you 100% coverage for every color gamut. So you've got multi-color coverage, Adobe RGB for print, P3 for film, sRGB for web, and auto color management, which automatically switches the displayed color gamut based on your source content. So clearly one of the best displays available in this form factor. Now let's see what's powering the 9i. So you can get up to the Intel Core i9 13905H processor, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU with 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM, up to 1605 MHz boost clock, up to 80 watts TGP for the 14-inch version, and for the 16-inch version you can get up to 100 watts TGP, up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X Dual Channel 6400 MHz memory, and up to 1 TB PCIE Gen 4 M.2 storage. Now, what makes the 9i even more special is that it has a custom 13th Gen H series processor, which is around 24% smaller than normal. This essentially puts the memory closer to the chip, and the smaller package paired with a high efficiency board ensures shorter, faster 6400 MHz memory speeds. In addition to that, it also means more room inside the chassis for bigger fans and more cooling, maximizing the amount of power to be pushed in a thin and light machine. So of course, this is going to be great for gaming, but if you're somebody like me who's a content creator, you'll be pleased to know that this has Lenovo X Power. Now, this is a proprietary custom performance tuning solution designed to maximize performance in an ultra thin design. Now, essentially this combines the hardware boost and the software accelerator to drastically speed up creative software preview, rendering and exports. Now, I'm somebody who's been using the Adobe Creative Suite for a very long time, in particular Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro with some After Effects, and you'll be pleased to know that every 2023 Yoga Pro comes with a complimentary 2-month membership of the Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, this is also an Intel Evo system, and that means that it's co-engineered and verified to deliver the best overall laptop experience and is tested for over 75 technical specifications and hardware requirements. Now, one of my favorite things about Intel Evo is Intel Unison. Now, this allows you to seamlessly connect your choice of phone to transfer files and photos with ease or even call, text, and manage notifications without reaching for your phone. And it's so easy to set up. You just have to install the Intel Unison app either on your iOS or Android device, scan a QR code, and that's it. You can start sharing files pretty much immediately. The Intel Evo system also means that you have fast charging. So the 9i comes with a 75 watt-hour battery, and along with that rapid charging, you'll be able to get around 2 hours of use with just a 15-minute charge. Right, now taking a look around, there is a 5 megapixel camera. Now this is in this top bezel element, so it's not taking up space in the main bezel. It also has a privacy shutter, and we have the brand new Yoga Premium Suite. So this means we have 4 mics with voice ID noise cancellation, 4 speakers for immersion, and the Yoga keyboard and enlarged touchpad. So we've got quicker cap response with 1.5 millimeters of travel, and a touchpad with a size of 135 by 80 millimeters. Now the keys actually have a concave keycap and improved ergonomics for comfort. There's increased travel, quicker response time, as well as anti-oil and abrasion coating, giving you increased longevity. Now looking at the ports, on the left-hand side, you have an HDMI 2.1 port, a full-function USB Type-C port, an Intel Thunderbolt 4 port, as well as a full-sized SD card reader. And on the right-hand side, you have the power button, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 audio combo jack, and the switch for the webcam privacy shutter. Right, pricing. So the Yoga Pro 9i 14-inch version is going to be starting at $1,699. The 16-inch version will be starting at $1,799. If you want to see the different pricing and more information about the different configurations, there will be a link down in the description below. And that is the Yoga Pro 9i. A fully fledged laptop offering some amazing performance, a beautiful display, all in this compact form factor. What do you guys think of the Yoga Pro 9i? Do drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to see a previous related video, I'll link that here. And one of my more recent videos will be linked here too. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.